Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Riaz Hussain. I am the head of Department of English Linguistics. I have the honor to introduce my department. Our department is currently offering BS, MPhil, and PhD programs in addition to diploma in TEFL. The Faculty of English Linguistics at the Islamic University of Bahawalpur has been making significant contribution in the field of English linguistics in terms of graduation of PhD students and also in terms of publication of research papers. The linguistic faculty at the Islamic University of Bahawalpur has produced more than 50 PhDs, and currently 10 PhD qualified teachers are serving at our department. The other teachers are pursuing their PhDs in the field. The strength of the department is around 1,300 students. In recent years, our department invited around 70 faculty members from national and international universities to interact with our students and expand their horizons of knowledge in the field of English linguistics. The graduates of this department are serving in national and international institutes. They are heading Department of English at various universities of Pakistan. The department also publishes its own journals. In the past few years, the faculty of Department of English Linguistics published more than 100 research papers in national and international ATC recognized journals.